Hello everyone, which CPA exam you should take first starting in 2024? You should always start with FAR. Why? FAR is the foundation for your financial accounting knowledge. Think about it if you're a college student. They don't allow you to take an audit course, they don't allow you to take a tax course unless you have finished financial accounting and intermediate accounting. And that's why take FAR first, because it's the foundation that you need in order to learn auditing. And once you know financial accounting and auditing, you will have a better grasp of accounting, better grasp of auditing. Therefore, it's easier for you to learn tax. So my suggestion will be FAR first, audit next, rec third. Now, how about the specialization? Don't worry, I will have a separate short recording explaining which specialization you should take. What should you do now? Study hard. Add Farhat lectures to your CPA review course. I can help you understand the concept better. Good luck, study hard, and of course, stay safe.